If Monday.com is showing a 500 internal server error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes you can try right now to get Monday.com loading again. These steps are simple, safe, and they work for most Cloudflare-related server errors without needing any advanced technical knowledge. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, try refreshing the page and then wait a few minutes. Sometimes a 500 error is temporary, and the issue clears up on its own once the server recovers. If that doesn't work, sign out of Monday.com completely, then sign back in. A fresh login can fix session-related issues that may be causing the error. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using, then refresh the page again. Cloudflare can sometimes block or interfere with traffic coming from certain IP addresses, and disabling the VPN or proxy can resolve that immediately. If you're still seeing the error, switch to a different network if possible. For example, try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or use another internet connection and refresh Monday.com again. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then select Cache and Cookies and clear them. After that, reopen your browser and try Monday.com again. Old or corrupted browser data can often trigger loading problems, so this step is worth doing carefully. If the issue still continues, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with Monday.com or Cloudflare. Some extensions can block scripts or page requests, which may cause a 500 error to appear even when the site is actually working. After each step, go back and refresh Monday.com to check if the problem is fixed. In many cases, one of these simple changes will restore access right away. If you're still having trouble after trying all of them, the issue may be on Monday.com's side, and you may need to wait for their servers to stabilize. I hope this helped you fix the Monday.com 500 internal server error. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.